Every great day starts with a spark, a plan, a purpose. This one begins at home with the turn of a key and the promise of something waiting just beyond the trees. Adventure doesn't always need a destination. Sometimes it's just about going. You've got the machine, the freedom. Now all you need is a way to bring it all together. Choose between a power or gravity tilt deck and available length options of 8 to 40 feet. Your options are endless. The Delco Tilt trailer makes loading effortless. No ramps, no lifting, no stress, just smooth, controlled tilt action that works as hard as you do. With rugged tie-down points and a durable deck, your ride's locked in tight, ready for the road, ready for the fun. Because when the only thing between you and the weekend is the drive, Delco makes sure nothing slows you down. Every stop is just part of the story. Fueling up more than just a tank, you're fueling up for freedom, for wide open trails, for that first throttle punch into the sun. You've made it. The tilt deck lowers with ease, and just like that, you're ready to roll. No hassle, no wasted time. Just you and the dirt, the dust, and the day ahead. This is what it's all about. Wind in your face, engine at your command, and not a worry in the world. Because when you've got the right trailer, the path is always wide open. From home to here to wherever tomorrow takes you. No ramps, no compromises. Just the freedom to go Delco trailers. The opportunity awaits.